Hello, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 2, the Northern Mountains. So, it's a physical feature. I will tell you about the importance of Himalaya, right? Then, life of the people, those who are living in this region. So, let's start with the chapter now. Maya is just back from Shimla after vacation. She cannot wait to tell her friends about what she saw there, and trees, houses, and landscape was so different from New Delhi, where she lives. Even the costumes the people wear and the cuisines are different at every different yet chart, right? As you all know that the northern mountain include two ranges, Karakoram range and Himalayan range. So let's see about the Karakoram range. So the northern mountain range is in the extreme northwestern part of India. It lies in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. So here lies your what Himalaya. This is your Himalayan range, right? From extend up from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, right? So as you know that Mount Godwin Austin or K2, which lies in this range, is about 8,611 meter high. It is world second highest and Indian India's highest peak. World की तो second highest है लेकिन India की highest है. Himalayan range. Himalayan mountain range is located to the south of the Karakoram range. It extends to a distance of about 2,500 kilometers from west to east. Its width varies from about 40 किलोमीटर to 150 किलोमीटर. वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक दैट इज माउंट एवरेस्ट जो 8,848 किलोमीटर 48 मीटर क्या है हाई है और कहाँ लोकेटेड है हिमालयन रेंज जो कहाँ है आपकी नेपाल. Division of the Himalayan. We had divided into three parts. Greater Himalaya, which is known as Himadri. Lesser Himalaya, that is Himachal. Lower Himalaya, that is Shivai. We have Greater Himalaya, that is Himadri, which is located in the extreme northern part of the Himalayan mountain range. It is also known as Inner Himalaya. These remain covered with snow almost throughout the year. If we talk about the average height, what is average height? That is 6,000 meter above sea level. And some of the world's highest mountain peak like Kanchenjunga, Annapurna are the part of these ranges. Many glaciers originate from these mountains and many rivers such as Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers, right? As do you know that we have two people that is Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Who are these? These are first to climb the Mount Everest in 1953 and Bachindri Pal. She was the first Indian woman to do so. You can see their images over here. They have the pictures over here of the three people. Next is Lesser Himalaya, which is also known as Himachal. Right, where it is located? South of Greater Himalaya. Its average height of mountain range is 4,000 meter above the sea level. This range has some very beautiful hill station. What are those? Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling. And some majestic valleys like Srinagar, Kangra and Kuru are located in this range. And many centers of pilgrimage of the Hindus like Amarnath, Badrinath and Vaishno Devi lies over here. Right, in this range, the mountain receive regular rainfall during the winter season and the mountain slopes, they are covered with thick forest over here. Let's study about the lower Himalaya, which is also known as Shivalik over here, right, which is the southernmost ranges. What we call them? Outer Himalaya. These ranges are hills rather than mountains. Average height जो है वो 1500 above sea level है. ये किससे covered है with thick forest and they're home to many wild animals like snow leopard and tiger. The foothills of Shivalik, what we call them, they are known as Terai and the area is marshy. Why? Because due to heavy rainfall. क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो बारिश है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. Right? Let's study about its importance now. So, they act as a natural barrier against invasion of enemies. They protect us from cold winds जो आपकी north से आती हैं. They trap the monsoon winds coming from the Raven Sea and Bay of Bengal, which causes heavy rainfall. Right? Many rivers originate from the Himalaya. Water of this river is used for domestic, industrial and irrigation purpose. And the Himalayan forest, what they provide us? Wood and many kinds of herbs. The forest area of these mountains serve as a home to many wild animals. So the famous Hindu pilgrimage site, if we talk about, I have told you about, that is Kailash, Mansarovar and Amarnath caves, where they are located in the lap of the Himalayas. Now, life of the people. If we talk about the life, how the people live here, So the states and territories that lie in the northern mountains are Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, right? Northern part of West Bengal, Darjeeling, Assam, northern parts of West Bengal, yeah, Darjeeling, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. I will tell you one by one about all the states over here. Let's first move towards the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, which is the northernmost union territory of India. Srinagar is the summer capital, and Jammu, what it is? It is the winter capital, right? So we have rivers like we have Jhelum, Chenab and Indus. They flows through here and it is famous for natural beauty. यहाँ पे आपका दाल लेक और बुल्लर लेक भी lie करता है, which adds beauty to Kashmir. These lakes are famous for shikaras and houseboat. The main language that is spoken over here are Kashmiri, Dogri and Urdu. And if we talk about Eid and Shivratri, these are the main festivals that are celebrated in this season. And the Kashmiri people, what they give kangri. It's a small pot. इसमें कोल बर्न करता है, इससे आप अपने आप को कैसा रख सके, वार्म रख सके. Right, both men and women wear firam over here with salwar. People drink a special kind of tea called, जो farming है वो main occupation है लोगों की यहाँ पे. What they grows, main crop like rice, maize, rajma, etc. Apples, apricots, plums and saffron are grown here on large scale. During winters, people make handicrafts, carpet and shawls. और जो कश्मीर के कारपेट्स है और पश्मीना शॉल है, दे आर फेमस ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. क्रिकेट बैग्स जो किससे बनते हैं, कश्मीर विलो से, दे आर ऑल्सो फेमस ओवर देयर. राइट, सम फेमस टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन ऑफ द यूटी आर पहलगाम, गुलमर्ग, सोनमर्ग, श्रीनगर, अनंतनाग, Vaishno Devi Temple and Amarnath. If we talk about Ladakh, it is also famous for the what scenic beauty, culture and several Buddhist monasteries. It has once a part of Jammu and Kashmir, but now what it's enjoy the status of separate state. और जिसकी administrative capital है वो लेह है. And rearing of sheep is also very common here over here. And most families they own goats, cow, yak, co, and also known as disease. And people diet includes मीट या मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. अगर हम बात करें, लोग यहाँ पे ज्यादातर मीट या फिर मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स खाते हैं. So Himachal Pradesh, as you all know, it's a beautiful state located on the lap of Himalaya. Shimla, the capital city, important tourist place. रिवर की अगर हम बात करें, रवि, रावी, ब्यास और सतलुज, राइट. पहाड़ी और हिंदी आर द मेन लैंग्वेज दैट इज स्पोकन. पीपल जनरली वेयर लॉन्ग कुर्ता पजामा. वुमेन एक स्पेशल स्कार्फ पहनते हैं, इसका नाम है ढाज. Right, while men wear embroidered caps, Dussehra is the main festival. Main occupation क्या है यहाँ के लोगों की, agriculture. And what they grow over here, rice, maize, wheat, barley, potato, plums, apricots and peaches. These are the main things that is grow here. If we talk about famous hill station like Dalhousie, Kasauli, Dharamshala and valley like Kamra, Kullu, Manali are located here. Do you know that the Himalayan town of Dharamshala is home of whom? Dalai. You can see over here in the image over. This is Himachali couple, right? The Shara of Kullu and a scenic beauty of Dalhousie. Uttarakhand, carved out from this Uttar Pradesh in 2000, it is situated in the lap of the Himalaya, consists of two important regions. दो important region है गढ़वाल एंड कुमाऊं. देहरादून इसकी कैपिटल है, right? अलकनंदा, गंगा and Amna are some major rivers that flow here. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people over here. Garhwali and Hindi are the main language that is spoken here. Dussehra is the main festival of the state and Kumbh Mela is a fair which is held after every 12 years, is a religious place of the Hindu where it is in the Haridwar. Right, Gangotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath, what are these? These are some important places. Mussoorie and Nainital are the famous hill stations. If we talk about Sikkim, where it is located in the eastern Himalayas. Gangtok, its capital, which is the famous hill station also. Right, Tista river flow through the state. Third highest mountain peak, Kanchenjunga जो है वो आपकी कहाँ लोकेटेड है, सिक्किम में. मेन ऑक्यूपेशन लोगों की यहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर है. व्हाट दे ग्रो, मेज, बार्ले, cardamom and potato. Lepcha, Bhutia, Nepali are the main language that is spoken over here. Losar and Sagadua are the main festival. Sikkimese men and women wear long skirt, which is called Bakhu over here. Mask dance is one of the folk dance of Sikkim. Now we have northern part of West Bengal. Darjeeling is very popular hill station which is located in the northern part of West Bengal. It's a hilly area quite famous for its tea garden, and these tea gardens on the slopes of the hill, what they produce? High quality tea over here. Right? The Darjeeling Railway is fondly known as toy trains. मतलब यहाँ पे ये toy train के लिए जाना जाता है. Why? Because it is 2-foot narrow gauge track. Here some question has been given about the Dal Lake, right? Women state जो उसका आप पहनते हैं. You have to give these answer yourself. Next is Seven Sisters State. As you know that जो इतनी भी हमारी eastern state हैं, this one, what we call them? Seven Sisters State. First is your Arunachal Pradesh, right? It's the largest state. Its capital is Itanagar. Due to difficult terrain and dense forest, sparsely populated, इसमें कम population है. People living in the states are mainly tribals. यहाँ पे आपको tribals लोग देखने को मिलेंगे जो farmers हैं या hunter हैं. और वो क्या crop grow करते हैं? Rice, maize and your millets, tobacco and oil seed. लोहे यहाँ की important river है state की. Then we have Assam. It is the second largest among these 7 states. It is located in the valley of Brahmaputra River. कहाँ located है? Valley of Brahmaputra River. Dispur इसकी capital है. Guwahati, it's the largest and the most famous city of the state. Assam has many petroleum producing area near Dikbar. Agriculture main occupation है यहाँ पे लोगों की, and what they grow? Rice and jute. If we talk about tea gardens of Assam, they are also famous. Assamese is the main language which is spoken over here. Bihu, a harvest festival of the state which is very famous all over the India. Kamakhya temple situated in Guwahati is very famous over here. Next is Meghalaya. As you know that word Meghalaya means home of clouds. अगर आप मेघालय की शेप भी देखेंगे तो वो थोड़ी क्लाउड फॉर्म में, अगर आपने मैप में कभी देखा होगा तो वो थोड़ी ऐसी क्लाउड फॉर्म में है. Right, the state is named because why? Because it receives heavy rainfall throughout the year. Masingram and Charahoons is the places जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा बारिश होती है. Right? Famous Garo Khasi Jayanti are situated in this state. We have Dareng and Sanda. These are the two important rivers जो ऐसे flow करती है. Right? People mainly are farmers. They grow rice, maize, wheat, pulses, pineapple. The main spoken language are Garo Khasi and English. ठीक है, Wangla and Nokgrave. What are these? These are the main festivals that is celebrated over here. Then we have Manipur, which means dwelled town. Imphal is capital, and it is partly hilly and partly under plain. Barak. Barak is an important river. Farmer grow what? Rice, wheat, and maize. Manipuri is the main spoken language. Kut and Christmas are the major festival that is celebrated over here. Sericulture means, what is sericulture? Means rearing of silkworm, which is the main occupation of the people. And Manipuri dance is famous throughout the India over. Right. Then we have Mizoram, which is a hilly state, and capital is Ajwal. Talwang and Chichampui are the major river. About 1/3, जो 1/3 state है वो आपके bamboo forest से covered है. Sericulture is also popular over here, and Chiro dance, ये popular dance form है. Then we have Nagaland, it is hilly region with dense forest on slopes. Kohima इसकी capital है. Dipu और Doyam are the main river. Main occupation क्या है यहाँ पे लोगों की? Hunting and farming. What they grow? Rice, maize, millet and sugar cane. The people are good artisans and music lovers. Most of the tribals, they wear hand woven shawls over here, and about 60 different languages are spoken in the state, and each tribe living here has its own language, festival, dresses. Naga tribe is one of the most famous tribe over here. If we talk about Tripura, it is the smallest. 7 सिस्टर स्टेट में से सबसे छोटी जो है वो त्रिपुरा है, जिसकी कैपिटल क्या है? अगरतला. पीपल यहाँ पे है वो मेनली फार्मर्स है. दे ग्रो राइस, ऑयल सीड्स, टी, रबर एंड शुगर केन. बंगाली एंड कारबोरक आर द मेन लैंग्वेज दैट हैज स्पोकन ओवर हियर. दुर्गा पूजा इज द मेन फेस्टिवल, एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया कंप्राइजेज 8 स्टेट. इसमें आपके 7 सिस्टर स्टेट्स भी लाई करती हैं और हिमालय स्टेट ऑफ सिक्किम भी लाई करता है. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, thank you for learning with me and enjoying with me. That's all for today.